Good morning once again. It is Wednesday, July 27th, 2022. And this is yet another early morning here in El Calafate. Today we are headed out to see the glaciers. The Uppsala Glacier and other glaciers of names I don't remember. Probably won't be home until late again. So it's going to be another long day. Today's the last of the long days. Hopefully tomorrow we have no plans, and Friday we have no plans. So here we are on the boat on, I don't think the boat has a name. It probably does have a name, I just don't know the name. MP? Well, the boat apparently has a name, we just don't know what it is. You can see there, the sun is coming up here in El Calafate. Actually, we're outside of El Calafate. We are, I think Punta Bandera. I think at Punta Bandera. We're going to head out. We're going to go see the Glacier Uppsala, and then doing some hikes. We're seeing a couple of other glaciers. Got a box lunch. Yeah, we're going to have a full day on a boat, on land, on a boat, on land, on boat, on land. One nice thing about this is that we were maybe 45 minutes from the city, so at the end of the day it's only going to take 45 minutes to get back. We were also the last ones to be picked up, which I'm hoping, finger crossed, I'm hoping that means we're the first ones to be dropped off tonight. I am personally looking forward to tomorrow when we do nothing. Check back in a little bit. Argentina, they said. Go on a boat ride, they said. It'll be a fun time, they said. It is beautiful, though. On that. It's really rushing towards that glacier. Of course, the water's coming this way, so it looks like we're going like, you look at the water, you're like, oh my god, we're flying. But then you look up and you're like, nah, we're not going that fast. This is the Uppsala Glacier, I think, and it's a glacier. This is either the third or the fifth largest glacier in Argentina, but it's a South American glacier. Probably the sound of us hitting ice. It's huge. And the sheer enormity of this is, it's enormous. It's big. There's a lot of ice. Apparently we got to go to this house up here, and that's where we pay to get into the park. That's our boat, the Spirit of Glaciers, the Maria Turquesa. This is a little bit like the Black Sand Beach. We gotta go to this house. Whoa.
del puerto de la playa. Desde que él se fue, nadie más volvió a vivir en esa casa, nadie vive. En el 2018 él falleció en Calafate, bueno, era viejito, y en el mismo año el gobierno decide reiniciarla.
I'm not sure where we are, but it's pretty awesome. And now we are at Puerta de Vacas, the port of cows, because there's cows wandering around. There's this old house here. I think I'm gonna go inside because people are going inside. I want to go check it out.
A vista do lago tá bonita, mas a foto não.
Mãe, o uísque era feito de vaca.
Part of the stove. This is where the horses are kept, cows are kept.
No te quejas.
The breeder's choice whiskey. I mean, what else are you gonna do up here? Does remind me of the boat in the Faroe Islands a little bit, but this is a lot bigger, a lot further south. The water is a much different color. I also think it's probably, oddly enough, it's not as cold. It's cold. It's not as cold as the Faroe Islands, though. Yep, that's an iceberg. Although, it looks like it's not floating. Glacier Moreno. Fast approaching little bits of ice. And it's cold. So there's a house over there. Probably lodging, because there is a track where you can go up and you can actually walk on the glacier. We're not doing that. We're staying on the boat. Concludes our day on the boat, seeing glaciers. It was actually pretty awesome, other than missing the part of the glacier fall off that we saw, but we're not able to get on video, though my wife she was able to get some on video. Yeah, it was a good day. And this, of course, is beautiful Patagonia. Oh my God, thank you, thank you. Very nice person returning my binoculars. So as I was saying, there's about an hour drive home in the bus, and then that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Click the like button and the notification bell for new videos, because there's gonna be plenty from this trip, and then it's probably gonna be a dry spell after this. But click and subscribe. There'll be videos.